We have to put this here,
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah, just put it here.
Here?
Is that the taste that you want?
No, I don't know. Which one is good?
Okay.
Is it? This is good?
Yeah, it's strong.
No, it's light, please.
Lighter.
Light.
This one is lighter.
Okay. Here, like this.
Yes.
Then,
Just the size.
okay. This
Yeah, the big one.
big one.
Yeah.
So this is coffee.
Yes, this is one.
What is different with that coffee?
Because this is usually from there, so it's like espresso coffee, and the one's prepared with the raw stuff. So it's a bit more intense, the flavor.
Oh.
Are you waiting?
Yes, this one.
Oh.
It's just a matter of taste.